I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Affirm account can streamline your purchasing process, so here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device or visit the Affirm website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Once logged in, find the Payment Methods section in the menu. This is usually located in your account settings or profile area. Step 3. Add a new credit card. Click on the option to add a credit card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your card. After entering your card information, Affirm may require you to verify the card. This could involve a small temporary charge to confirm ownership. Keep an eye out for a notification or email about this. Step 5. Save your changes. Once your card is verified, make sure to save the changes. You should see our new credit card listed under Payment Methods. If it doesn't appear, try refreshing the app or logging out and back in. I hope this guide helps you add your credit card smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Affirm support for assistance. Happy shopping!